Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF file to a XML spreadsheet using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now select this convert option, this menu bar, and here you will find this through MS Office and click on this down arrow, and here you will find this XML spreadsheet. Select and select settings, and you can convert all pages or specific pages and worksheet for each table or each page and so on. Eliminate make default and OK, and save your destination folder. Select. I can change this file name and select save. As it is converting, an XML spreadsheet now created. See this? Yeah, this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.